Okay, what I would like to do now is I would like to illustrate some important formulas of coordinate geometry. I will start by telling you what the points are. And we will start by plotting them. Okay? So A will be 6, 1. So that's X, that's Y. That's your left, right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X is like a number line. So X equals 6, Y is your up, down. So 6, 1, this is the location of A. Right there. Okay, B. X equals negative 4, up, down is 5. So negative 4 on the number line, and then up 5. So there's the location of B. And then C. Left, right, nothing, down 6. C. Okay, so the points are plotted. I will now proceed to do the examples. Okay? So example 1, find the distance between A and B. And this time I explicitly stated the coordinates. So the distance will be, here's the distance formula. Subtract your x's. So negative 4 minus 6 squared plus, subtract your y's. 5 take away 1. Okay, now I would recommend doing what's under the parentheses first. So this is, or under this radical first without, I'll save the radical for the end. Okay, so this will be negative 10 squared. This will be 4 squared. So 100 plus 16 is 116. So I've taken care of what's in the radical net, so I will have the square root of D equals the square root of 116. Now, half of all even numbers are divisible by the perfect square 4. And this one, so I'll check to be sure that this is not divisible by 4. It is divisible by 4. The division result is 29. So that gives me the square root of 4, the square root of 29, square root of 4 is 2. So distance is 2 square root of 29. That is the exact value for the distance. Okay? Approximate value would be 2 times square root of 29. Approximately 10.77 units from here to here. Okay? Alright, next I want to find the distance between B and C. Well, distance will equal square root of, let's see, it says subtract my x's and squared, subtract my y's and squared. So, between B and C, x's 0 minus negative 4. Okay, so 0 minus negative 4 squared plus, and subtract my y's, negative 6 minus 5. Alright, so 0 take away negative 4 is 4. 4 squared plus negative 11 squared. So that's going to be 16 plus 121 is 137. Okay? So D will equal the square root of 137. And 137 is not reducible, so I'm done. Okay? If you're curious as to the precise units, it's approximately 11.7 units from here to here. Alright, but that's the exact value for the distance. Next, I'm going to switch gears and talk about the midpoint. That's the point that's going to be between the two, halfway between the 2 points. And the formula is here. So basically, it's essentially you just need to average your x's and average your y's. So M, capital M, will equal negative 4 plus 6 over 2. So add your x's, negative 4 plus 6, put it over 2, and do the same thing for your y's. 5 plus 1 over 2. Okay? So that's going to give me negative 4 plus 6 is 2. and 5 plus 1 is 6. So the midpoint is 1, 3. I'll go ahead and plot it. So 1, 3. And if you notice, it's halfway between the two. Okay, I'll write it a little bit more neatly. Or try to. Okay. Example 4 asks for the slope. The formula for slope is here. So m will equal, it says to take your second y, subtract your first, take your second x, subtract your first. So m will equal, subtract the y's, so it's between a and b, so 5 minus 1 over negative 4 minus 6. So that will give me 4 over negative 10 which reduces to negative 2/5. All right, and I'll stop here.